I just received my Bowers & Wilkins PX8 S2 headphones from Amazon, and I can tell you that the state of the box is really very bad. So it is damaged here, it is almost open on both sides, and I don't know why. And in this video, I'm gonna open it up, hopefully that the headphones are not damaged inside, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions on these high-end headphones, and later on, I'm gonna make a full review about them. So let me bring the camera up close to open up the box. So let's open it up. I don't even need a cutter because it was already like half open. And thankfully, as a first glance, the headphones seem not damaged. So they seem good. And I got them from Amazon warehouse deals. They were labeled like new, so they should be like perfect. Let me open up the box. And if you can get them as a second hand from Amazon, it's always better because you'll get a hefty discount on them. So for instance, for these, I had like around $150 discount on them. The moment of truth. And the box doesn't have any damage. It looks very good. Even the documentation, it seems that it wasn't open. So let's open this hard shell case. And at first glance, the headphones seem very good. Let's see the accessories. And the accessories are both here. So you have the USB-C to USB-C cable and the 3.5mm to USB-C cable. Let me examine the headphones closely. They look and feel so good. Oh, 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 oh. What is this here? Look. The ear cushion is separated from the ear cups. So I don't know if this was from the shipping, from the package, or because they are sold like from Amazon warehouse. Other than that, everything seems good. Hopefully I can put it in place without any damage. And later on, I'm gonna be examining also the ANC. Let me see. I think I can just put it in place. Yeah. It's going in place, thankfully. Oh, whew. That was a relief. So it went in place, and apparently, I don't know why it was removed. I need to examine the headphones thoroughly. So other than this, everything looks good. The hinges are good, and there are no damages on the headphones. So let me wear them for the first time now to see their comfort. I don't like this, but I mean, this is what you get when you get them secondhand. I'm still a bit skeptic about this one here. So first, let me give you my first impression about the comfort. They have a firm grip, but the ear cushioning is very like soft here, and it's not bothersome. The top of the headband, I feel it a bit on my head. Let me try to adjust them without getting them too loose. No, they are good like this. So they are not the most comfortable headphones, but they are very comfortable until now as a first impression. Let me turn them on, and I'm gonna make sure that the ANC is on to see if the separation of the ear cushion from the ear cup will not affect ANC. So apparently the ANC is working very good. So I don't feel that the right ear cup is letting any noises in. Let me connect them to my phone for the first time. So they are in panning mode now. And they are connected now to my phone. They are the first from the top, as you see. And I'm not gonna install the application now, but I'm gonna play a song to give you my first impression of these headphones right out of the box without any EQ tuning. So I'm gonna open Spotify here and let me listen to them. Wow, I can tell you as a first impression, the sound is exceptional. And this is before I tune their equalizer even. So this was like a first impression and unboxing of these headphones. I'm gonna do a full review afterwards about them. I'm gonna use them for about like a week, couple of weeks, and during this time I'm gonna tune the equalizer for the headphones to give the best sound quality. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, so this way you'll not miss the full review video, and it will contain the best equalizer settings for these headphones. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.